In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button on Squarespace. First things first, let's get you logged into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that. Now, for those of you who use Google services, Squarespace has made it super convenient with a Continue with Google option. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to use for logging in. Select your preferred Google account and voila, you're in. The next step is pretty straightforward. You'll need to navigate to your website's dashboard on Squarespace. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. There's usually a direct link to your site from your Squarespace home screen. Click on it and you'll be taken to your site's back end. Once you're on your dashboard, it's time to start the actual process of making a button. Look for the edit mode. This will allow you to make changes to your website. Editing mode is where the magic happens. It's your creative playground for designing your site. Alright, now the fun part begins. You're looking to add a new button to your site, right? On Squarespace, this is done by adding a new block. So find and click on the Add Block option. Blocks are essentially building pieces on Squarespace, allowing you to add different types of content to your site. After clicking Add Block, your next click will be on Button. This action is going to insert a button block into your site, but it's not quite ready yet. You're going to have to move it to where you want it to be on your website and edit it to look the way you want. This means you can change the button's text, the link it points to, and its styling to match your site's aesthetics. Take your time to customize it. This button could be a crucial call to action for your visitors. The finish line is in sight now. After you've got your button looking just the way you want it, don't forget the most crucial step, saving your changes. Look for the Save option and click on it. There's nothing more disheartening than losing all your hard work because you forgot to save. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom button to your Squarespace website. It wasn't too hard, was it? With this new button, you're set to direct your visitors exactly where you want them, be it a product page, contact form, or anywhere else. Remember, the key to a great website is not just its looks, but also how user-friendly it is. A well-placed, well-designed button can significantly enhance your site's navigation and overall user experience. Thank you for following along. I'm thrilled to have been able to guide you through this process. If you've got any questions or need further assistance with your Squarespace site, don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on making the most of your website. Until next time,